Hello all, I am Vindya, working as assistant professor in the stream of computer science and engineering. So today I am going to give you an overview of the course computational thinking and programming. So why programming has become an important these days? Because AI is ruling the world now. So in order to understand the basic applications of AI also, we need to understand the programming. So here the advantages of programming are we will be able to solve the problems easily. So we have 5 units in this course. The first unit is of the topics Introduction to Computational Thinking and Problem Solving Elements. What is computational thinking? Computational thinking is nothing but it is used to solve the complex real world solutions. So there are 4 components in computational thinking. They are decomposition, pattern recognition, abstraction, and then algorithm. So we'll be having a brief description about all these components, and we'll be seeing what are the advantages of computational thinking in this topic also. So the advantages like we have debugging, how to create a program, and what are the experimenting and what are the perseverance of computational thinking will also be studied in this topic. And the next topic is problem solving elements. In this problem solving elements the students will learn the basic structure of C and how to create a program and how to run a program, and what are the input and output functions, and what are variables, what are the different data types, and all these topics will be covered in problem solving elements. And coming to the unit 2, we have computational problems. There will be conditions like whether if the statement is true, we have to print some sort of statements, and if the condition is false, we have to print some sort of statements. So those statements are called as conditional statements. And in computational problems, we'll be having conditional statements as well as iterating statements. If we want to print the statement for multiple times, we use iterating statements. So here in computational problems, we'll be having conditional statements, iterating statements, and few standard programs like Fibonacci, palindrome, how to check whether the year is leap or not, etc. We'll be having some standard problems in this unit 2. And coming to unit 3, we have concepts of arrays and as well as functions. The array is nothing but the combination of similar data type, and here how to create an array, how to initialize an array, how the array is stored, like the indexing part of arrays. And here we'll be having 1D, 2D, multidimensional arrays. We'll be seeing the difference between a 1D array and 2D arrays, and matrix representation is used in 2D arrays, how matrix is initialized using 2D arrays, and as well as some standard problems like addition, multiplication, subtraction of matrices are also studied in this topic. And coming to the functions, functions are used for code reusability. Here the concepts of how we declare a function, and how to use a function, how to call a function, how to define a function, and the different types of parameter passing techniques are also seen in this function concepts. And coming to unit 4, we'll be having the concepts of pointers and strings, the important topic in programming, in C programming, call by reference, and as well as dynamic memory allocation will be seen in pointers concept. And coming to the strings, how a string is initialized and how string is declared, and what are the string handling functions will be studied in the strings. And coming to unit 5, we have the concepts of structures and file management. Structures are nothing but the combination of different data types, collection of different data types, whereas in arrays we have seen the combination of only one single data type. Coming to the structures, we have the collection of different data types. So how structures are initialized, how structure to a pointer, how will we use the pointers in the concept of structures, and how will we use the concept of structures in functions. All these concepts will be covered in structure concept. And coming to file management, management system, how a file is created and how a file is read and how a file can be accessed through different modes will be seen in file management. And the preferred textbooks are computational thinking, that is the part 1, I mean unit 1. The part of computational thinking will be having the concepts of computational thinking in the book called as Computational Thinking, A Beginner's Guide to Problem Solving and Programming by Carl Beecher, and the rest of the topics like programming elements and all those problem solving elements will be good in E. Balaguru Swami Programming in ANSYS. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.